Hi, I'm Mingxi, and here is my video assignment. And here is the first question. From this graph, we can know that the acceleration at tangent direction is the same for each of the gear. So here we can see we can get the equation for the tangent acceleration is equals to a times radius. And from this graph, we can know the uh, tangent acceleration of gear B is equal to 90 times 0.015 divided by 0.05 is equal to 27 radius per second square. And according to the structure, we can get the tangent acceleration for gear D, which is equal to 18. So that from the question we can know that the angular velocity of gear D is equal to 600 RPM. So here angular velocity is equal to 2 pi over divided by t, which is for the one revolution. So here is 600 revolutions, so we just times 600, which is equal to 20 pi. And according to this equation, we can get the time spent for gear D to attain the angular velocity. So which is 3.491 second. This is one of the final answer for the time t. And for the revolution, we also use the equation here. I just list here, and we know omega, and we know the omega zero, which is zero, because the question said just stay remain the from rest. And here we can get the theta for which is the final answer, and just divide by 2 pi, and here is the revolutions, which is the final answer. And for the question 2, according to the equation, uh, dw equal to a dt, we can just get the number into this equation here. I just list here, and the integration of omega is equal to the omega a, which is equals to the integration of the times. So that we can get the uh, angular velocity of a, which is 130 radian per second. And according to this equation, we can get here this formula. So that according to this formula, we can get omega for B, and here is the answer. And B is at this position, so now we have to get the magnitude of velocity and acceleration at point P. So according to the equation, V is equal to omega times R, we can get the velocity at point P, which is 2.31 meters per second. And for the acceleration, we can just use t is equal to 0.75. We can get the acceleration at point P, which is 260. So that's all for the video assignment.